So now let's see how we can work around with form block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the form block, you need to go ahead in between two blocks right here and click on add block. So once you go ahead and do that, you simply need to type in form, and over here you can see that there's this form option right here, just like this. So once you go around over here, you can see that there's different types of forms that you can actually choose from, like this contact form, RSVP form, registration form, appointment form, and so forth. Let's just go around onto contact form, and you immediately get this contact form right here. So just like this, you can see that this is the contact form that you can insert out right here. So over here on the right hand side, you can change around the input field styles, as you can see right here. You can go around and change around all of the options, as you can see right here as well. And you can also go ahead and view the form responses right from over here as well for this particular form. And whatever form responses you get it under the feedback section under form responses right there. So if I were to go ahead and save, and let's say for example, let it update right here, and then in a while I can go ahead and let's say for example view the post right here. And if I were to go ahead and scroll down now, I can see the form which is required. So if I were to go ahead and let's say for example type in my name, sample@yahoo.com right here, and add in a message, I can go ahead and submit this particular form right here, just like this. And you can see that it says your message has been sent. So now if I were to go ahead onto the form responses right here, so this has been submitted, as you can see right here. So if I were to go ahead over here, you can see that it actually got into the spam because I filled with random information, but you can see that this is what you have right here. And that is how you can go ahead and utilize the form block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.